Welcome. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to export videos from bot chats on Telegram using the latest update on the PC version of the app. If you've ever wanted to save videos directly from your bot conversations, Telegram now makes it much easier with the built-in data export tool. Let's get right into it. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Look at the top left corner of the window and you'll see the three horizontal lines. Click on those to open the main menu. From here, enter the Settings section. Once you're inside Settings, you should notice an option labeled Advanced. Go ahead and open that menu. Now, scroll down until you see the option that says Export Telegram Data. This is the tool that allows you to download different parts of your account data. And in this case, we're going to set it up so it only exports what we need. In the Export panel, you'll be given a list of categories to choose from. Since we only want videos from bot chats, make sure you check the box labeled Bot Chats. After that, scroll down a bit more until you find the specific option for videos. Check that box as well, so Telegram knows you want videos included in the export. Once your selections are made, click on the Export button. Telegram will now prepare your data. Depending on the size of the content inside your bot chats, this process might take a little time, so just wait until it's finished. After the export is ready, you'll see an option that says Show My Data. Click on that, and Telegram will open the folder where your exported files are stored. Inside, you'll find your videos neatly organized and ready to use outside of Telegram. And that's it. You've now successfully exported videos from your bot chats on Telegram using the latest PC update. This method is simple, efficient, and gives you full control over what kind of data you want to save. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to save it for later and share it with anyone who might need it. Thanks for watching.